There, get up though, there's a bird, maybe.
Okay, is it really tall?
I know. Small one, get. Right there, I see him. Go get him, Gabe.
I don't know how.
Go get him. She's dead. I guarantee you she's dead.
I need another.
Well, I couldn't shoot at that. Look at where I am.
Right in line.
Yeah.
Dad.
Keep going, Gabe.
Dad, I need another shell.
Okay. To your right, Gabe. To your right. Go to your right. Keep going. Straight ahead. Okay, go to your left a little bit. Keep going. You still got another 10 feet or more. 20 feet. If you don't see it laying there, you'll have to get Pepper over there. A little further, straight ahead though. Straight ahead.
How do I know if this is a loaded shell or not?
I don't know. You
Where's
check.
Pepper?
To your right, Gabe.
Pepper!
Pepper! She's that way.
Well, I know it's a loaded shell.
36 feet that way.
Dad!
I need
She
another
laying
one.
down. Pepper, just,
there.
you see it?
How do I pick it up?
By its
Just grab
feet.
it by its neck. It's dead.
Pep?
It's feet if you want. However you want to do it.
Have a shell?
Yeah, just. Do you see her? Oh, here you go. Tristan, here.
She locked on?
She's on.
Did you
Why
get
did
it?
You shoot.
Did I get it the second time?
I think you must
got
have.
it,
Sorry.
Olivia.
Where is it?
On the other side of the cattails. I don't know if it's wet.
Another one?
Yeah. Did I give you a shell, Tristan?
Are you kidding me right now? Hey, Dad.
You probably could have went around, guys. Is it wet? It's to your left. You shouldn't have, because now you're making her go through it too. It's to the left of that bush.
Here. Oh my gosh!
Okay,
I dropped this.
drop. All right, go get that one. It's over there. Where did you drop it, Gabe?
Like right. Should be somewhere in here.
What the heck?
What the?
Where did you drop it, Gabe?
I just let go. Right here.
Well, help me find it here first. That one's to the left. Out and to your left. Yeah, that way. But for a little on the other side of the bush.
What the?
Now to your right. See if is she with
right
you?
There.
Okay, now go get that one. Jeez. It's crazy, huh?